All right, Tesla fam, guys, let's dive right in. So today we're going to be explaining to you how to actually set up and manage your Tesla's data sharing preferences. So whether you're all for sharing or you want to keep things private, guys, this guide will show you how to exactly adjust these settings to your liking. So I've added an outline for steps at the top left corner. You can follow along there. So first things first, guys, you want to start by sitting in your Tesla and bringing up the main menu on the center touchscreen. What you're looking for, guys, is the controls option, okay? And under controls, you want to just tap on safety and security, guys. You want to tap on that and you want to scroll down until you see data sharing, right? This is where Tesla basically gives you control over what information your car actually shares, guys, okay? And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to actually review the options. Just tap data sharing to see the all the available preferences, guys. And Tesla typically asks for, consent to share driving data, diagnostics, or analytics. And you also find options related to your Tesla's FSD beta program if you are actually enrolled in that. Okay. Now, guys, here's the key part. Okay. You want to toggle the switches on or off depending on what you're comfortable sharing. For example, you can enable driving data sharing if you want to contribute to Tesla's vehicle improvements. And also, you can just disable any option you prefer to keep private. And guys, once you've set your preferences, they're automatically saved. Okay. There's no need to actually, hit a confirmation button. All right. So you can actually return to these settings whenever you want to make these changes. Tesla ensures that you're basically in control of your data sharing, guys. All right. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you in the next video, guys. Come on. And check that link.